He is not happy with me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Valentine's Day takedown and a simple clean with me.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
So now I'm just bringing my tub that has all of my Valentine's Day stuff in it. And I'm just going to get all the Valentine's Day stuff down and just kind of get it ready for spring cleaning.
Be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to say hello to anyone who may be new to my channel. My name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos. I'm also a full-time teacher. I'd like to do classroom videos where I'm getting ready for the week, and also do the regular cleaning videos as I said before. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys.
I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in.
Cooper, I'm sorry. I had to put some on the couch. He is not happy with me.
Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short little clean with me video. This is just a preparation before I do my guilt-free cleaning. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.